Hi guys, Bart Barnes here from Clemons Boats in Sandusky, Ohio. One of the most common calls we get as sales guys late night after we just delivered a boat is, hey, I just bought this brand new boat, my boats won't start. And you kind of have the, what did I just get myself into? Well, this video is to make sure you don't panic and hopefully help you get out of a sticky situation. First and foremost, if you have a no-start situation, assess the situation around you. Make sure you're not going to drift up on any rocks or drift into another boat. If you need to, go set your anchor, make sure your boat's secure and everyone's safe. Once you get all that figured out, you go back to the helm, try and get your no-start situation figured out. Here's a couple tips I recommend you try before you call your sales guy or before you panic. There's quick, simple, easy, and hopefully we can keep you on the water boating. First thing is always check to make sure you're in neutral. These engines have neutral safety switch, so if you're in gear and you don't realize it, the engine won't start. So you just take your shifter, bring it back, maybe give it a little jingle, then try the key. Another big common one that we see, especially since the Coast Guard has really been cracking down on safety lanyards. So it's by law, if you're in a 27-foot or smaller boat, you have to wear this safety lanyard hooked to your belt. So what I see guys do is they go out, they kill the engine, they walk away from the helm, and this pulls off, and they forget to hook it back up. And if they go to start the engine, it might crank and crank and crank on some models, or some models it might just have an alarm at you and scream at you. First thing to do is to take the safety lanyard and put it up. Now there's different styles for different model boats, but that is a common one to check. Number 3 off the top of my head is check your battery switch. If you were at the sandbar for a long time, or maybe you're out fishing at anchor and you had the stereo going, all your graphs going, and it was taxing on your battery, maybe switch to battery 2 or both. If that's not it, you know, new boats sometimes do have issues where they have a little break-in growing pains. Go back to your battery cables, maybe give them a shake, make sure they're nice and tight. As long as you have good connection, or maybe it's an intermittent thing and something's wiggled loose. Obviously get home, decide, is this something I need to call my service department, or is this something that, hey, it was a fluke thing, I made a mistake.